Breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Modi is going to be interacting with vaccine manufacturers at 6 p.m. this evening. That's the big breaking story. My colleague Sneha Mordani is breaking the story first on India Today. She's joining us live with the latest details on the story. Sneha, this particular meeting seems to be a rather crucial one. Probably, and this is my guess, to ramp up the manufacturing is what the Prime Minister is going to be discussing with the vaccine manufacturers. What else is on the agenda?
Yes, absolutely. How is the ramping up of production going to happen? It's a daunting task, Chetty, that we're going to undertake from the 1st of May onwards when we try and inoculate all the adult population in the country. It was expected that there would be some concerns regarding shortage of doses, but how is that going to be addressed? Financial assistance has gone in for both Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute of India. Bharat Biotech has in fact looked at its Bangalore unit now to manufacture more doses of Covaxin. There's also conversation of a Maharashtra-based company called Hathkin then to also set up a BSL-3 facility to manufacture the doses. What is the production capacity then of each of these companies with this additional support vis-a-vis the logistics that Serum Institute can ensure and Bharat Biotech can ensure? Remember, Sputnik V, that has in fact been developed by Russia, and the trials for the same was done by Dr. Reddy's, in all likelihood would be a part of this meeting. This is something that we're trying to confirm from Dr. Reddy's, but Dr. Reddy's has already confirmed that for the moment they're going to be getting the doses from Russia in partnership with RDIF. In India, there are 6 companies that will be manufacturing Sputnik V, and how is that going to help then in ramping up doses, also in ramping up production, given the fact that the capacity, the demand is going to surge even further. We are already being unable to meet, in fact, the surging demand with vaccinations for above the age of 45 open up in the country. Imagine the kind of demand, given the fact that we are in the middle of a very, very bad second wave,
right.
And also the process of getting those above the age of 18 starts to get them to inoculate when the third phase of the vaccination drive starts. This is something that's going to be discussed in this meeting. Also, Bharat Biotech has raised concerns about the fact that there are problems when orders are not placed on time, and this is something that is expected to come up also, that place the orders on time.
Yes.
Because this is an inactivated vaccine. It takes a while for us to manufacture. Unlike Serum Institute, they have not in fact stockpiled the way Serum has. So this is going to be something that's going to come up as well.
All right, Sneha Mordani breaking that story first on India Today. She is going to continue to bring us up to speed with the latest developments as far as this crucial meeting is concerned.